Okay, guess who got a new Christmas present that she has to come over and play with and see how it works. Hi, Mom. How's everybody? We're having fun. Got the babysitter coming over. She's giving us noodles. Look at the big plate. Yum, yum. There's your naughty little boy back there. Hi, sweetie. There's your little girl. She's doing good. She just ate a bunch of noodles. Hi, guys. Hi, everybody. Say hi to Mom. Hi, Mom. Hi, Mom. And who's up here in front? Come on, little girl. Come and say hi, too. There's Rita. Hi, Rita. There you go. Eating your noodles. Look at you, sweetie. You're so cute. She just ate a bunch of noodles. Hi, honey. Who's in here? Hi, guys. Say hi to Mom. Let's go see what Bubba's doing. Oh, Bubba, what are you doing? Eating a brand new seed stick that you never eat? Because you're fooling Mom like you don't like them, but I caught you eating it. You love it, don't you? Okay, let's go downstairs and say hi to the boys. Here we go. Who's down here? Hey, Oscar! Who's doing that? Hi, Oscar. Hi. 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 Don't you attack me. Hi. Can you say hi? Let's go say hi. Hi. Hi, Arch. How's it, Archie? Hi, big boy. Hi, Bubba. Hi, Arch. Can you say hi to Mom? What's your hurry? Hi, Arch. Say hi to Mom. Hi. Let me scratch your head. I can't scratch your head and do this at the same time. I don't trust you. Let's go back and see who this naughty little bird is that wants to... Oscar. What you doing, Oscar? Are you mad? Yeah. What's up? Hi, Oscar. Say hi to Mom. Hey, hi, Archie. Say hi. Say hi, Archie. Where's your mom? Say hi to your mom. I know those eyes are pinning. Okay, bye. Merry Christmas.